A plane parallel to y-axis passing through line of intersection of planes x plus y plus z equals to 1 and 2x plus 3y minus z minus 4 equals to 0. Which of the points lie on the plane? 3, 2, 1, minus 3, 0, 1, minus 3, 1, 1, or 3, 1, minus 1. So answer is required plane will be lambda 1 plus pi 1 plus lambda pi 2 equals to 0. Putting this equation in pi 1 plus lambda and equation 2 in pi 2, we will get this equation 1 plus 2 lambda x plus 1 plus 3 lambda of y plus 1 minus lambda z minus 1 plus 4 lambda equals to 0, and this is parallel to y-axis, so lambda will be minus 1 by 3. So the required plane is x plus 4z plus 1 equals to 0. So by inspection it will be on 3, 1, minus 1 will lie on this plane. So answer will be option 4.